cabinet minister has been removed. We hear Bahek has been replaced by Sanwar Shulai.
I'll just come to your room. Okay, I'll just come. 5 minutes. Yeah. So basically, we have been maintaining on in the MDA that different political parties have different ministers, a number of ministers based on the number of MLAs that they have. In the case of HSPDP and the NPP, last time there was a change in the ministers because there was an agreement among the MLAs at that point in time that they will share 2.5 years. And this was with the knowledge of the state presidents. I maintained even that time that the party will have to take a call on this, and accordingly the HSPDP and the NPP also communicated to me saying that yes, that agreement should be honored. At that point in time, the president of the BJP had changed, and it was not Mr. Shibun Lingdo, who was there during the meeting that we had during the formation of the government, when Shri Himanta Biswa Sharma ji, the now Chief Minister of Assam, and our Tourism Minister then, what is his name? Anyway, the Tourism Minister of Mr. Alphonse was there, then Mr. Nalin Kohli, and the then President Mr. Shibun Lingdo was there. And there was a discussion among the MLAs, and we were also there. And some sense came up that there should be sharing in the ministership. So therefore, when the 2.5 years was over, so BJP also had a discussion and a meeting in this, but there was no clear information that came to me on this in this regards. But just recently, I have received a letter from the president of the BJP, Shri Ernest Mauri, mentioning about that meeting and mentioning that that particular agreement and understanding should be honored, and therefore, based on that, he has recommended that Shri Sanwar Shulai should be taken into the cabinet, and based on the letter of the president of the BJP, this is being done.